Determine whether each equation is explicit or implicit. With every implicit equation, is it possible to isolate y by itself? Use a graphing calculator such as Desmo.com to explore the graph of each equation. X squared plus y squared equals 25. An equation is in implicit form. It is not written in the form y equals a function in terms of x or an equation in terms of x only. The key word here is that it is not written, not that it can be written in that form or not. We see that this is not in the form y equals, and so a x squared plus y squared equals 25 is written in implicit form. Similarly, for the second part, ln of y equals x times y, the equation is not written explicitly in the form y equals something, and so it is in implicit form. And lastly, e to the x over y squared equals 1 plus e to the y is clearly not written in the form y equals something in terms of x, and so this equation is also in the implicit form. For part A, with x squared plus y squared equals 25, the question is now, can we isolate y? And the answer is yes. Y squared equals 25 minus x squared, and so y equals plus or minus the square root of 25 minus x squared. This is a piecewise function where y equals the positive p, the square root of 25 minus x squared, and the negative p's, negative the square root of 25 minus x squared. Because there are two pieces, it is usually preferred that we work with implicit instead of isolating y. That is, just because we can isolate y doesn't mean that we should do it. For the second part, b, ln of y equals x times y. If we try to isolate y, then we have to e both sides of the equation to get rid of ln. But the moment we got rid of ln, we would need to introduce e, and we cannot get y on the right side from e to the xy. That is, we cannot separate y by itself. And so for the second part, it is not possible to isolate y. Not possible. For part C, e to the x over y squared equals 1 plus e to the y. We can rewrite this that e to the x equals y squared times 1 plus e to the y. But then this is e to the x equals y squared plus y squared e to the y. Notice that y squared is by itself already, but there is a y inside this parenthesis, and so it is not possible to isolate y in this case. It is worth pointing out that we didn't try hard to isolate y for part B and C. If we tried further, we might be able to isolate y, but that defeats the purpose. It is too time consuming. We should work with implicit equation instead.